let's start with exercise. First question. The question says solve the following equations and check your results. So if we look at the question, there are two parts of the question. The first part of the question is to solve and the second part of the question is to check. So keeping that in mind, let us start with the first question. The first question is 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Collect the variable on one side or isolate the variable on the LHS. 3 minus 2 is 1, so x is equal to 18. So we have solved the equation. Now let's check whether the answer that we got for x is correct or wrong. So for check, let's write 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. In the LHS we have 3x. Put the value of x, that is 18. 18 3s are 54. Then in the RHS we have 2x plus 18. So 2 into 18 plus 18. 18 times 2 is 36 plus 18. So 36 plus 18 is also 54. So what do we see? We see the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So as the left hand side and the right hand side is equal, hence the solution that we calculated, x is equal to 18, is correct. Now question number 2 is 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. Question number 2. We finished with question number 1. So let us isolate the variable on the LHS. So 5t minus 3t minus 5 plus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2t and minus 2. So t is equal to minus 2 by 2. We can reduce with 2. So we get t is equal to minus 1. So the value for t is minus 1. Now let us check. What do we have to check? We have to check the equation. 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. So on the LHS, 5t minus 3. So put the value of t as minus 1 minus 3. So minus 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 8 in the LHS. Let's see, in the RHS we have 3t minus 5. So 3 minus 1 minus 5. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3 minus 5, which is equal to minus 8. So we again see that our left hand side is equal to right hand side when we put the value of t is equal to minus 1. Hence the value for t is equal to minus 1 for the given equation is the correct solution. Question is 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Isolate the variable on the left hand side. So we have 5 minus 3x is 2x and 5 minus 9 is minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 minus 2 times is minus 4. So the value for x is equal to minus 2. Now let's do the check. For check, we write the equation as 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Let's take the LHS, which is 5x plus 9. In place of x, we put the value of x is equal to minus 2 plus 9. So we get minus 10 plus 9, which is equal to minus 1. And then on the right hand side we have 5 plus 3x. So 5 plus 3 in place of x, it is minus 2. So 5 minus 6, which is also equal to minus 1. We see that the left hand side and the right hand side are equal. Therefore the left hand side and the right hand side are equal. So the value that we calculated for x, that is x is equal to minus 2, is correct. Now let's come to question number 4. Question number 4 is 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. Let's go back and read the question. 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. Collect the variable on the LHS, that is 4z minus 2z is equal to 6 minus 3. So 2z is equal to 3. So z is equal to 3 by 2. This is the value of the variable we calculated. Now we need to check 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. Put the value on the LHS, that is 4z plus 3. So 4, 3 by 2 plus 3. So 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3. I can reduce 2 ones are 2s are. So I get 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 plus 3, which is equal to 9. This was on the in the LHS. Now what about the RHS? Let's put the value for RHS is 6 plus 2z. So 6 plus, in place of z we write 3 by 2. So 6 plus 2 into 3 by 2. 2 cancel. So we have 6 plus 3, and 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Now what do we see again? We see that the left hand side and the right hand side are equal, hence the solution that we did is correct. Question number 5 is 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. Isolate the variable on the LHS and the numbers on the RHS. 2x plus x is equal to 3x, and 14 plus 1 is 15. So x is equal to 15 by 3. So x is equal to 5, because 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. So the value for x is equal to 5. Let us check. For check, the equation is 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. In the LHS we have 2x minus 1. Put the value of x as 5, and then we write 10 minus 1 is equal to 9 in the LHS, and then in the RHS we have 14 minus x. So the value for x is 5, and 14 minus 5 is 9. We see again that the left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence the value that we calculated for x is correct. This was question number 5. Now question number 6. Now till question number 5 the difficulty level was very easy. Questions were there. Now from question number 6 onwards the questions have become little difficult. Now question number 6 is 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. We see that The LHS looks little simpler, but the RHS has 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So how are we going to solve this? We are going to open the bracket first by multiplying the 3 with the terms inside the bracket. So 3 is multiplied with x, and then 3 is also multiplied with minus 1. So let's do 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 3 plus 7. So 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 4. Bring the 3x on the LHS and take the 4 on the RHS. So we have 5x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 by 5, or x is equal to 0. This is the solution of the equation, and as the question says, we have to check. So let us check. Let's write the equation, that is 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Now in the LHS we have 8x plus 4. Put the value of x as 0 plus 4. So 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Then in the RHS we have 3 x minus 1 plus 7. 3, put the value of x as 0. 0 minus 1 plus 7. So 3 into minus 1 plus 7, which is minus 3 plus 7, which is equal to 4. So we see that on the left hand side and the right hand side we get both the values same. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, which means that the answer that we calculated, or the solution that we calculated for the given equation, is correct. Let's do the next question now. Question number 7. Question number 7 is x is equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. So question number 7 is x is equal to 4 by 5 x plus 10. So multiply the 5 on the LHS to make it 5x is equal to 4x plus 10. So 5x is equal to, open the bracket again, so 4x plus 40. So 5x minus 4x is equal to 40. 5 minus 4 is 1, so x is equal to 40. Now let's do the check. Check x is equal to 4 by 5 x plus 10. The LHS we have x and the value of x is equal to 40, and then in the RHS we have 4 by 5 x plus 10. So 4 by 5 x is 40 plus 10. So 40 by 5 into 50. 5 ones are 5 tens are. So 4 into 10, which is equal to 40. We get 40 in the RHS and we get 40 in the LHS. Therefore, the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, we have verified the value for x. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Now we take 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 on the LHS and 3 minus 1 on the RHS. Now we see that the denominators are not same. So to get the same denominator, I multiply this fraction with 5. So now my equation becomes 10x by 15 minus 7x by 15 is equal to 2. Now LCM I can take as 15. So 10x minus 7x is equal to 2. 10 minus 7 is 3x is equal to 2, and 15 is transposed on the right hand side. So from the denominator it goes to the numerator, or division becomes multiplication. So 3x is equal to 30. So x is equal to 30 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 10 times is 30. So x is equal to 10 is the solution of the given equation. Now let's check. The equation was 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. So in the left hand side we have 2x by 3 plus 1. In place of x, let us put the value as 10 by 3 plus 1. So 20 times 2 times 10 is 3 by 3 plus 1. So we get 20 by 3 plus 3 by 3, which is equal to 23 by 3 on the left hand side. Now let's see for the right hand side. In the right hand side we have 7x by 15 plus 3. So 7, the value for x was 10 by 15 plus 3. So 70 by 15 plus 3. Now if I divide 15 and 70 with 5, I get 5 threes are, and if I divide 70 divided by 5, I get 14s are. So 14 by 3 plus 9 by 3. So 14 plus 9 by 3 is equal to 23 by 3. So we see that in the left hand side also we got 23 by 3. In the right hand side also we got 23 by 3. That means the left hand side is equal to right hand side, and the value for x is equal to 10 has been verified. Now question number 9 is 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. So isolate the variable on the LHS. So 2y plus y is equal to 26 by 3 minus 5 by 3. So 3y, the LCM is 3. So 26 minus 5, 3y is equal to 21 by 3. 3 ones are 3 sevens are. So 3y is equal to 7. Therefore y is equal to 7 by 3 is the solution of the given equation. Now let's check. Write the equation. 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. Take the LHS. In the LHS we have 2y plus 5 by 3. Put the value of y equal to 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3. Then 2 sevens are 14 by 3 plus 5 by 3. So 3 is the LCM, 14 plus 5, which is equal to 19 by 3 in the LHS. Now in the right hand side, 26 by 3 minus y. So 26 by 3 minus 7 by 3. Take the LCM as 3. So 26 minus 7. 26 minus 7 is 19 by 3. And we see that the left hand side and the right hand side is equal in this case also. Hence the value for y is equal to 7 by 3 is verified for the given equation. Let's do the 10th question of exercise 2.1. So 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. 3m minus 5m is equal to minus 8 by 5. Minus 2m is equal to minus 8 by 5. Let us transpose minus 2 on the right hand side. So we get 1 times 4 times. Minus minus cancelled. So m is equal to 4 by 5 is the solution of the equation. Now for check, let's write 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. Now in the LHS we have 3m. So 3, the value of m is 4 by 5, which is equal to 12 by 5 in the LHS. Now in the right hand side we have 5m minus 8 by 5. So 5 minus 8 by 5. So we have 20 by 5 minus 8 by 5. LCM is 5. So 20 minus 8 is equal to 12 by 5. So we have 12 by 5 in the LHS as well as in the RHS. And with this we come to the end of exercise 2.1.